Fabulous four-fingered freak here. In this video, I'm going to talk about a serious subject. Yes, the freak can be serious once in a while. Not too often, though. But, something happened to the freak recently where the freak lost a very, very dear friend. This friend didn't die, no, but this so-called friend, who actually turned out to be a fake friend, just refused to listen to the freak, and we had some disagreements, and this friend, this ex-friend, just heard the freak, and the freak tried to explain to this friend of his why we just couldn't see each other anymore. And the freak was expecting some kind of answer. When you're a real friend, what you're supposed to do is talk it out, right? If you say or do something wrong, and something that's so bad that you're going to lose this friend, if you really are that person's friend, then you should listen to what this person has to say, and try and fix the shit. But this ex-friend of mine, well, just didn't do that. And yes, the freak feels betrayed. The freak feels used and abused. Basically, my confidence was abused. My friendship. I've helped this person a lot through the last 3 years, where this person had a lot of personal problems, and the freak was always there, because the freak is a real friend. And in the end, this person just revealed its true colors, and was just there to abuse my friendship, and it really, really hurt me. But the freak is over it now, because it's been almost a year, and the freak will survive. And that's why for the last 8 or 10 months, the freak was not doing a lot of videos, because I was going through this shit phase. But the freak's all right now. And so my message to all my fans basically is this: please, if you find out that you have fake friends, do what I did. Cut ties. Because these relationships will only bog you down. They're very toxic, and they will take their toll on you and your life. They'll bring you down. They're very energy draining, and not worth it. You're better off having 1 or 2 real friends, loyal friends, who will be there for you when you need help, when you are in the shit. And obviously you have to be there for them when they're in the shit, right? The door swings both ways. Otherwise, it's like a one-way street, All of your energy as a friend goes towards them. But when you are in the shit, if they don't help you back, And what's the point? Right? So, to all the fake friends out there, and to my ex so-called friend, if you see this video, you know I'm talking about you, AT. The freak says this to all you fake friends, and especially to you, AT. The freak says, fuck you.